Welcome, viewers, to our explosive show. Our discussion today borders on holding charge. But in Corral, what exactly is holding charge under the law?
Holding charge is an unlawful criminal justice practice, where the police arraign a suspect before a magistrate, court that has no jurisdiction, to try the alleged offence, simply to keep the person in custody while they continue investigation, or wait for advice from the DPP, Director of Public Prosecutions. It is widely condemned in Nigeria because it violates constitutional rights and leads to abuse. What is a holding charge? A holding charge occurs when police arrest a suspect for a serious offence, like murder, armed robbery, terrorism. They take the suspect to a magistrate court. Even though that court cannot try the offence, the magistrate is asked to remand the suspect in prison, pending further investigation, or DPP advice. The suspect ends up in prison or police custody without trial, sometimes for months or years. Why holding charge is dangerous in Nigeria. Holding charge creates severe injustices and has been criticised by courts, lawyers, and human rights groups. 1. It violates the right to personal liberty. Section 35 of the 1999 Constitution guarantees liberty and prohibits detention without trial. Holding charge keeps suspects locked up with no valid legal basis. 2. It leads to long, illegal detentions. Many suspects spend months, sometimes years, in prison without being charged properly. This overcrowds prisons and destroys lives. 3. It abuses the court process. Magistrate courts have no jurisdiction over capital offences. Forcing them to remand suspects is a misuse of the judicial system. 4. It encourages lazy or corrupt investigations. Since police can remand suspects indefinitely, they may arrest before proper investigation, delay case file preparation, extort suspects, abandon cases entirely. 5. It causes prison overcrowding. Most awaiting trial inmates in Nigerian prisons are victims of holding charge. 6. It violates fair hearing, Section 36. A suspect cannot defend himself because the court with power to try the case has not even been involved. 7. Courts have declared it illegal. Several appellate and Supreme Court decisions condemn holding charges, such as Lufa-Deju v. Johnson, 2007, Nweer v. Kopp, Bowler v. State, Akingbade v. State. Courts say remanding a suspect under a court with no jurisdiction is unconstitutional. A summary. Issue why holding charge is dangerous. Unlawful detention violates Section 35. No fair hearing violates Section 36. Abuse of magistrate powers. Court has no jurisdiction. Prison overcrowding increases. Awaiting trial population encourages police misconduct. Arrest first, investigate later. Please don't forget to follow, like, and share for more.